Welcome to the color car race. Who will win today? All cars line up and now zoom off. Red car jumps over a mud puddle. Blue car zooms past a tunnel. Green car spins and keeps going. Yellow car takes the lead with a rocket boost. Whoa, look at green go! Blue is catching up. Red takes a shortcut. All cars reach the finish line close together. Who won the race? You decide. Tell us in the comments. And hit the subscribe button for more fun videos. Wow! Watch this water magically change colors. Let's make a rainbow in seconds. Add red, blue, and yellow. Drops to each glass. Stir it. Whoa! Look at these rainbow colors. It's science, but it looks like magic. Want more fun science and magic? Hit that like button and subscribe to Wow Kids. Hey kids, ready for some science magic? You just need a bowl of water, pepper, and little liquid soap. First, sprinkle the pepper on the water, like magic dust. Now dip your finger into liquid soap and dip it again in the same water bowl. Whoosh! Whoa! The pepper sprinkles runs away. It's not magic, it's science. Soap breaks the water's surface tension. Try it at home with a grown-up. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more science fun.
Barbie needs your help to pick a magical outfit. Help her to choose from dresses from magical cupboard. Should she be a princess or a superhero? Or maybe a mermaid?
Spin the wheel, dress in style. Barbie's magic makes you smile. Tap to help, Barbie pick. Wow!
I love it. What should I wear next time?
Hello, friends. Let's go to the ice cream world and make the yummiest, craziest ice cream ever. Yay, let's go! Start with vanilla ice cream. Scoop into a bowl. Now mix in your favorite flavors. I am adding strawberry, banana, and yummy chocolate syrup. Now add some rainbow sprinkles too. Now mix and spin. Tata Magic ice cream is ready. Let's taste it. Yum! What flavors will you choose? Comment below and try this at home with a grown-up.
Hello, kids. Let's learn about some farm animals. It's a cow. It's a goat. It's a horse. It's a sheep. It's a chicken with chicks, and it's a duck swimming with ducklings.